Hi guys, this is Joe from the Camas App. Going to quickly show you how to install it on an Android device. So when you land on this screen, either by clicking on a link or typing in the URL or scanning a QR code, the only thing we really need to do here is enter our email address. So I will do that right now. And once we've done that, we just need to check the box and hit continue. When we press that continue button, the system is going to generate a unique PIN and email it to us so that it can confirm that we actually have control of that email box. There it is, already came through. And sign in. Now, if this is your first time signing in, you're going to see a different screen than the daily deal. It's going to take you to your profile page and ask you to complete it, which in our case simply means entering your first and last name. And then if you'd like to, upload an image of yourself so eventually people know who you are. Now that we've landed on the screen, what we want to do is install the app on the phone. We're going to click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, scroll to the fourth from the bottom, and click Install App. That's going to bring up a prompt, and we're going to say, yes, we do want you to install it. It's going to do some magic in the background, putting it on the phone. Once that's done, we can confirm that it's been installed by going to the home screen, and look at that, like magic, we've got our app icon there. And from here on in, whenever you want to access the app, all you're going to have to do is push on that pretty little icon. It's going to bring up the screen and log you in. So this has been a quick overview of how to install the app on an Android device. Hope you liked it. If you got any questions, reach out to us. Otherwise, we'll talk to you guys again soon.